Hi there. It's me. Hey. Hey. Look at my new trick. Okay. Here go. Ah! Hey. Want to see that again, please? Woo! This is making me dizzy. Now we're ready to watch the next show on Hi there, it's here. Do you know what sound a cow makes? A cow says, "Boo!" Now I have a message for all the cows. They're watching now. Moo! 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 Ooh! That's cow talk before. You're watching nature now. Ka ka ka! Hello? It's me, babe. How are you? Let's go see what's going on in the living room.
No, I mean the one that...
Now it's time for the next to take a short break. Welcome back to the day. You're there.
Okay, I didn't know if you had an extra one.
It's
Okay,
me, babe. La la la. And I love you to sing la la la
That's
la.
why I asked you first.
How about you?
Jake wants it for his
La 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 la. Hey.
Yeah.
Story time is now. La 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 la. I need you now.
That's okay, Dad, and I'll see you later.
Hi there. It's you. And you're watching Nature. It's time to go on another one. Apple Bay Adventure. Get to. I give them a hint. Its name begins with the letter L. It's Mac.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Let's go see him now.
All right.